Do it again, one more time.
Put a couple million in the on your thing. Got your gang on your chain. She look good with my last name. Got her pushing the range. I can get a massage.
Y'all know this is a weird intro, but y'all know it's me, man. Once again, you know I gotta come back with another banger. I'm in traffic right now. Well, not traffic, but I'm pushing the V, you feel me? All the windows down, speakers in the back. But listen though, I heard they was having a car meet in Raleigh, so y'all know we gotta tap in. Like, y'all know we gotta tap in. So I'm on the way there now, and I'm gonna pick y'all up when I pull up. I'm like 3 minutes away, so y'all know the vibes, man. But we're gonna see what type of cars they got out here, if they still here. Let's just pray to God that they still here, because I know there's gonna be W content, and we just gonna go from there. So I'm like 3 minutes away. I'm gonna pick y'all back up once I pull up, because man, listen, we outside, even though I got work at 10 o'clock, but I'm making sure this happen for y'all, to get y'all content, because I don't want y'all to think I'm a one-hit wonder, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be that person. So like I said, y'all see I'm dashing, not dashing, but I'm going a little fast right now, but we ain't gonna talk about that. So I'm gonna pick y'all up once I get there. I hope this light don't turn red, because I'm about to go through it. All right, bet, we Gucci. It didn't turn red, it's still green. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up once I get there. Yo, so we just got to the spot. I know, they still out here. So we gonna kick it over here for a little bit. They done already told him to turn it down. So y'all see what the vibes is like already. My man got the whole setup in there. They already told him to shut that shit down though, so it's over with for him. Next thing you know, y'all know who's gonna be out here. Got the spotted Hyundai, you know. That shit looks hard, my boy. Got the green tint on that bitch. That nigga got the extra tires on the top. He's selling tires out there. You feel me? They got the Toyota Smack though. Nah, that's crazy. That Toyota going crazy though. Put my keys on the hook, man, because y'all already know how we get down. I'm gonna break this down, chop it up. Okay, with the hood up. Orange interior, looking sweet. But yeah, man, there's a lot of people outside today. And it just rained, and there's still people outside. They just not caring. But I'm gonna give y'all some POV of the cars, man. See y'all, let y'all see the people that's outside. Show y'all what's going on. Okay, 5.0 pulling in, looking sweet. But I'm gonna give y'all some POV of the cars, and then y'all can just go from there, for sure.
I just made some room over there for you.
It's outside. Another way for I get hit, y'all. That's the gang right there. Yo, turn me up, come on. Yo. Here you go, speed demon, speed demon, speed demon. What's good, gang? What you want, twin? Y'all pulling up back to back. I know you did. That's why I'm vlogging too. I knew you was gonna be here.
But I don't want to get kicked out and get in trouble. It's packed like hell.
He said it's packed. They pulling up back to back though. Oh, I know. Y'all know when I pull up, them 392s coming out. Come on now. Bumblebee out there, bitch. But yeah, man, y'all see, we're in Raleigh with it today. Looking sweet. They told my niggas they can't park over here. This nigga right here is a demon, I ain't gonna lie to you. This nigga be ready to do some stupid stuff. That's why he got his windows up. He think he's slick. Oh God. He ready to do some stupid shit. Look at him. Oh my God, look at that bitch. That bitch is crazy. I don't feel like flipping the camera. I told you. I just told y'all that, didn't I? He just ready to do something stupid. I think he just want to get a ticket at this point. But I don't know what's going on. I'm about to see what they talking about, and then we probably all walk over there. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up again for the millionth time. But it's all types of cars out here, man. I ain't see everything yet, but I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll of the cars. I don't know what time they gonna stop this, but hopefully it don't last too long, so I could get y'all like them pulling out and stuff, because I know they're gonna cut up for sure. You know what I'm saying? I might have to run back to the crib real quick though, but it's a little sketchy out here. I don't really like that. Why ain't you just park right there? This nigga's stupid. They just want to drive around and show that their car is loud. Like, I don't get it. I don't know, but yeah. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. You want to be touching the deck? You better be touching the ground. Hell no. Oh, you chicken ass. You better start taking that wing out. Hey guys, make enough space for the car to pass by. Y'all hear anything? Nah, bro, you fucked, bro. Hell no. Alright, go ahead. Hell no, trash. Hell no. You better be on bags, bro. You better lower that shit. Hey, hold up. Hell no. You better get out of here. Hell no. Hey, everybody get on top of the car. Hold up. He got insurance. Hell no. Yo, hold up, hold up. What happened? Stop. Let that car clear real quick, please. Hold up. Hey guys, please make enough space over there for the cars to pass by. Go ahead. Oh, fuck is this? Hey, Bob. Hell no, you ain't gonna meet. Hell no. Hell no. Huh? Y'all seen that was just a limbo contest, but I think y'all had enough of that. So I'm gonna give y'all some more B-roll from the cars. And yeah, man, we outside of this for sure. That was like V. Now y'all got that V-roll. Y'all see what the vibe's looking like. So, yeah, man. It's a Raleigh car meet. It's one of them. It's been like, I don't even know how many, but it's been a lot of them. I don't really come to car meets like that, but I had to come out and get y'all some type of content. Because like I said, I don't want y'all to think I'm a one-hit wonder, so I had to get y'all some type of content from something. But yeah, man, it's a little thick out here though. I'm gonna show y'all what the vibes look like from this side though. Then y'all can see everything. You feel me? Is that my boy? I think it is. I think that's my boy. I think that is. Hey, I swear to God, I know this nigga car anywhere I fucking go, bro.
He be catching me lacking, y'all. He be catching me like in traffic, bro. They like wherever,
traffic.
Bro. You don't know me, bro. You gonna catch me every time, bro.
I said, that's twin right there. Look, 5% on the window, I still know who this nigga is, bro. That shit is sad.
Crazy, bro. Make sure y'all go subscribe. Make sure y'all go tap in my boy Take Off Kill, bro.
Come on, bro. We
about
about to
to
park
mad
it.
as hell when he take off, nigga. Go ahead.
See if this nigga finna do some stupid shit. You feel me? I ain't gonna get that nigga tagging that bitch, but you feel me? Oh! 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 Uh-oh. 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 Yo! There's one nigga you can count on to do some stupid shit when you outside with him, because I'm telling you. He gonna do something crazy, bro. So fucking move it. Nigga talking about getting something to drink. Like he ain't probably passed 1 million stores before he came over here. Stupid shit, bro. like he ain't probably passed 1 million stores before he got here, bro. Banana? Not the blueberry? Strawberry today?
It's that nasty shit. That's nasty.
Nigga, that shit is great. I ain't gonna lie to you.
That's nasty.
The red one smacked too though. I ain't gonna lie to you. The red one or the pineapple one, bro.
I just seen y'all boys, bro. Oh shit. Was it last night?
Good game.
Bro, I've
They
seen
work at Auto Bell.
I've seen bro like.
Oh God, man, I was up there today.
Bro, I always get you right, bro. I swear.
Hell yeah, he work at Auto Bell.
Where? Which one?
Millville Road.
Hell yeah.
I need to go tap in.
I'm telling you.
What's y'all enjoying this shit? This shit crazy.
I just got here.
Dang, I'm about to go to work.
No, it's a
Yeah, it's a Lambo outside. Yeah.
Bro, it's cool.
This nigga done drunk half of the fucking
Yeah, I
soda
ain't
before he
gonna
even
lie, I
paid
might
for
need to get
it.
another
Shoot, what's
one.
going on, twin? That nigga drunk half of the soda before he even fucking paid for it.
I need to get another one.
Second one, I'm sorry. Nigga, it's too late. You can't be sorry. This nigga's stupid, but this shit crazy outside right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. Crazy. You might as well just leave your shit right here. Oh God. Man, ain't nobody finna take that shit right here. I don't know. It's SRT. It's SRT. They might snaggle your shit. Snaggle finagle, nigga. Nah, for real.
Easy.
This nigga got a handicap sticker that ain't even his.
It's that Mopar ownership, man. Mopar, you ain't got one of these shit. Something wrong, bro.
Oh God. Nigga done stole somebody's handicap sticker. Let me see that motherfucker so I can steal that bitch. He said I can't fade it. I swear to God, I get one of them, it's over with. I'm parking anywhere. I'm gonna get out that motherfucker. Hey, you supposed to get out that bitch limping, twin. I ain't gonna lie to you. Nigga got a handicap sticker that ain't even his, bro. That's crazy. Oh God. Bro, where's your 5? In the car? That's a
Whenever
fucking...
you leave, I keep mine.
He said whenever I'm with him, he want to put his 5 down. Like, what? Don't put that bitch down. You better pick that motherfucker up. Hey, we outside, though, bro. Y'all see the fucking side, man.
Dang, no fucking Mopar.
Nah, they over there. And over there. It's definitely is.
Downloaded it. No Mopar. Where that lamb?
That lamb over there.
I gotta go see that shit.
This nigga got me walking in circles and shit, twin. That nigga said touch it. It's over here, bro. Nigga don't even know where the fuck he going. Hey, bro, I'm fucking dead. This nigga don't even know where he's going, bro. You see it right there?
Oh my fucking God. Oh, whose shit is this, bro?
I don't know. They ain't gonna stand there, though.
Bro, this shit is crazy.
Oh, God. Got a lamb chop outside. Somebody getting too much money, huh? Money, huh?
Yeah, this nigga.
Got a biker boys out here. Big. You feel? My man look like that. Everybody video. Y'all know I gotta get the best footage. Y'all know I gotta get the best footage. Y'all know I gotta get the best footage. Okay, got the girl with him. Damn. I said, damn. That bitch sound crazy. Okay, everybody leaving, huh? This the views we needed. Damn, he got that bitch on him. Fucking dang, my boy. Look at this bitch. Man, can't even turn like this. Okay, this is the Camaro. Nigga got chrome on that bitch. He just opened the valves on that one. Cause he did not sound like that pulling in. Look at him, look. There they go. They finna come shut this bitch down. I promise you. There they go, y'all. The fun is over with. Oh God, cause I was the one reported it. The fun is over with. He finna sit right here. The fun is over with. He's stealing all the fun. The fun is over with. The fun is over with. Fun is over with. The fun is over with. The fun over with, y'all. Woo! Here come the fun part, y'all. Let's see who finna run today. Oh my God, my boy. Don't do nothing crazy now. Don't do nothing crazy now. Fuck around, crash that bitch. Like a boy. That motherfucker loud as hell. Them niggas gonna run. Them niggas gonna run. Cause I would we outside today though, y'all. What time is it? Cause I gotta go to work. I'm out here getting content for y'all. And I gotta go to work. It's kinda crazy. What y'all think? I'm out here getting content for y'all and I gotta go to work. Blasphemous, right? Insanery. They got Raleigh out here now though, so everybody probably about to start sliding. Like leaving. Not burning the rubber, but leaving. It's a fast car though. I'm driving slow, folk. Somebody sit on bags. Woo. Look at this nigga. Nigga all the way over there, bro. Look at these niggas, bro. It's always somebody. Wanna pop the trunk. I need that content. Content for y'all. They said fuck the police coming straight from the underground. We got it bad because we brown. You know?
As y'all boys can see, y'all, this shit is packed as fuck, nigga. This shit is packed as hell. I done took over Kale vlog, y'all. You feel me? But as y'all niggas can see, we are in the 919 and it's such a beautiful day, but unlike Kale, like, I'm really looking for the hoes.
Oh my god, the police is really out here though.
Yeah, the hoes, yeah. Police is out here.
Oh my god.
Not gonna lie.
Oh my god.
Whips is out here too, though.
It is.
That rap is crazy.
Yeah, that looks good.
This shit is
God. I would have put that bitch in neutral and let it roll.
Let that bitch
Where the
roll.
police of it? I'm telling you.
That bitch.
It do. That motherfucker chopping. You need to do that shit to yours. Look at this nigga. Nigga can't start his car. Stupid ass. Your dumb ass car won't start?
I'm just getting the ring. I gotta This to show y'all niggas that.
This dumbass
Look,
car
watch
won't
this, y'all.
start.
Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Since niggas want to drive.
This dumbass car won't start. Go ahead.
So watch this, y'all. Watch this. Watch this. This is payback for the last time I was with this nigga, y'all. Watch this shit.
This dumbass car won't
Look,
start.
Now it's finally started.
Alright.
It's finally started.
Last time his dumbass car wouldn't start. Stupid ass nigga. His fucking car wouldn't start, bro.
Y'all want another one? Y'all go.
We was sitting in Durham for an hour trying to get this nigga car to start. Because his dumbass won't put a motherfucking kill set.
That's to show y'all that my shit started and I got a new key.
That nigga shit wouldn't start last time. We was in Durham for an hour. Because this nigga car wouldn't start.
Bro, that's what happens, bro. When y'all get these Mopars and shit, bro, shit happens, bro.
Gotta sound like a fucking sitting duck in the damn parking lot.
Really, y'all niggas could have ran down on us, but y'all didn't.
Yeah, right.
Y'all had y'all chance.
Yeah, right. Run down on who? Crazy man.
Not me or the nigga behind that camera.
I'm telling you. You did. Run down on who?
Not I.
Not on my watch.
I only got my watch.
Talking about, not on my watch. They going crazy over there.
Nah, they are, bro.
It is. I had to go put my phone on the charger for like 3 seconds. My shit went from 1 to 14 in like 2 minutes.
My shit 17.
Look, that bitch just hit 10 again.
Oh,
But it's alright. We're gonna get y'all this content.
super hard.
Even if I gotta go back to the car again, it's alright.
That's super hard.
We're gonna figure it out. Cause Raleigh done broke everything up. They don't wanna see us be great. Raleigh just don't wanna see us be great at this point, huh?
Things going crazy up there?
Nah, cause Raleigh came.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look at him.
Right there, too.
I told you, bro. Raleigh don't wanna see us be great. That's what it is. They just don't wanna see us be great at this point. Y'all don't wanna see us be great. And now they about to go down there and sit. Oh God, I know they is. Probably look, they got one over there. They got one down there. And his ass about to sit right in the median. What'd I tell you, twin? What'd I tell you? I told you, nigga. You thought I was lying, nigga? No, you thought I was lying? Come on now. We know how they get down. They gonna sit right in the median. That nigga still by the zone. They gonna sit right in. They got one at every corner. every fucking corner, y'all. They still speeding. Look. Stupid ass. That nigga sat in a median. Hey, twin, it only take one car. Be the car.
Hey, not getting me, bro. Not getting me, bro.
That nigga said, when
Might be him.
they let her, shit, they won't see me.
It ain't getting nobody.
They literally sitting on every
Might
corner
be
around
him.
here.
They might get him.
Shit, hopefully.
They gonna get him.
It ain't gonna be me. When I leave out, I'm going that way. Fuck that.
They right now.
Okay.
All time.
Yeah, he do. He try to put his window up. Don't put your window up now, nigga.
Put in a lot of money.
Look at the pipes, nigga. They got hook pipes on that bitch. They got hook pipes on that bitch. I know who they ain't gonna chase. They ain't gonna chase that motorcycle.
Oh, we going. Oh, you get caught up.
They ain't gonna chase that motorcycle.
Something has to be like mentally.
Oh God.
Mentally.
That's the one they don't want to chase. It's the motorcycle. I would have took my tag off leaving out this bitch. I'm telling you.
Do that right now.
Nigga, they gonna get behind your ass. You gonna have to drive the SRT today, nigga. I'm telling. Hey, look at that truck, bro. I ain't gonna lie though, you put it in track, you gone. Especially with no tag on it, nigga.
I'm gonna be the bad. God damn. Yo, word two?
This nigga can't be outside for 10 minutes.
Cold?
I know. Should run into their ass. Let's go interview their ass. How is it a day in the life to get hit every day? Stupid ass.
Just like a boy.
Okay. Shawty riding and cranking. Stock Camaro. No sound.
Quiet and shit.
No sound. No sound. This nigga think he a photographer. Stupid ass. Niggas literally walking cones. She gotta be big as hell, big player. Can you know? Damn. That bitch fire. Oh, you coming this way? I ain't know, my boy, my fault. That shit fire. Hey, that color hard as hell. That color hard as hell. Oh God. That shit fire. That's X. Oh God, it is. Clean as a motherfucker. Damn, look how they got these bitches. Damn! I got to go get that. Nigga pulling up with the flickers on. Tell him hit the gas. Hit the gas. You about to hit that clickbait right here. Do it again, one more time. My boy on that scooter-doo-doo-doo. Who they up there tweaking like that? In front of the police, baby. That bitch go crazy. They said fuck the police for this one. Hey, twin, you heard that motherfucker? That shit was just stupid.
Yo.
It's a Mustang that just left in front of the police. He left that bitch.
Well, they don't make much money.
The clickbait finna be crazy. That bitch hard. See if you leave with it or not. See if you're scary one. Y'all, okay, Pat? How you gonna act? How you gonna act? How you gonna act? Hold on. Slide that motherfucker. Go ahead. Somebody before you pull me over for my fucking tent. You said what? Tell me your mind out there before you pull me over for my tent. Cause I'm the only car you can catch. And my shit sitting right there.
Put a couple million in the on your thing. Got your gang on your chain. She look good with my last name. Got her pushing the range. I can get a massage.